Hello and welcome to a new weekly vlog. We're starting out in the wilderness, sweaty as anything, but I'm with these two babes and we're going waterfall hunting, hopping, whatever it is. Join us, join us. Oh, what's the date? Do anyone know? It's Monday.
27th.
Huh?
27th.
27th, there you go, that's the date. Okay, the floor is really fluffy. Come. Floor is fluffy. Exactly. It is many hours later. We had such a nice time. The waterfalls were lovely, honestly so nice. I have no idea what footage I got because I was doing it on the GoPro, and so I can't really see what's happening. So this vlog will be very strange so far. I managed to film a bit on the GoPro, a bit on my phone, and now on the camera, so who knows what's going on. But it was just lovely, really nice and chilled. I did think I had a leech coming after me at one point. So I've had a leech on me before. Honestly, it kind of sums up life. Of course it comes after me, but I just saw it like swimming towards me in the water, kind of like all like its mouth was going funny at me, and I was like, oh my, like obviously I was quiet and subtle as always, but no, I think I caused quite a scene because I was like, no, and then I like dived kind of into the water and swam away really quickly. It was worth it because I didn't get leached. So yeah, I've just been home for several hours on the phone constantly. Spoke to Moof for about half an hour, then again for about half an hour, Maria for about maybe 40 minutes, and then Jill also for 45 minutes. So all the stuff is going on, all the stuff. But I think I'm gonna go to bed. Feeling a little bit strange. So the numbers in Hong Kong have been higher than we've ever had them before. We're definitely in wave 3 at the moment, and they've just upped the restrictions as of Wednesday, and they're quite extreme. We've never had them this extreme. So basically there's no dining out at all. You can get a takeaway, but you're not allowed to go eat in a restaurant, even breakfast, lunch, anything. And you can only meet in groups of 2. Which just seems, I don't know, I can't get my head around that. I understand them doing it. We need to we need to lower the curve basically. So do something extreme now. Hopefully it will lower, and then maybe they'll let us meet in groups of 4 again. but I can't, like, we've not had this, so I don't actually know how it's gonna work. So we will see. But that happens as of Wednesday. So I'm gonna go out for lunch tomorrow because I may as well make the most of it. And I might be buying something exciting tomorrow, so we'll see. I shall show you. Right, I'm off to bed. Good night. Good morning, one and all. It's Tuesday. I'm so confused, so confused. I slept really well, but I feel like I'm not awake yet. Basically, you know when you, I don't know, when you're asleep and then you wake up and then you're not awake? That's me. Like, my eyes are so heavy, I feel like I could just go sleep forever. It looks like it's gonna rain today. Do I have an umbrella in my bag? I don't know. I don't know anything anymore. But I'm heading out to Cantonese, so that will be good. And then I'm going to go buy something exciting today. I've decided, with everything that's going on in Hong Kong right now, I'm likely to be home a lot more. So I'm getting myself a Switch, as if. I need to practice though. Before I allow anyone to play against me or with me, I will be rehearsing privately in my own home, because I don't think I'm very good at stuff like this, or coordination, or just general things. But yeah, right, let's go, let's go, let's go. Wow, 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 wow. Hello everybody. I bought a few things. I'll show you. I'm also listening to Taylor Swift's new album. But, oh, I saw this in a cooking shop. It's so random, but so cute. Look at him. So I bought that today. Also, this is my big purchase of the day. Let me show you what's going on. I got a Switch. Yay! So we're going into kind of semi-lockdown tomorrow, so I thought it was about time. So I got myself a few games. Overcooked. Where are the others? Mario Kart, Zelda, and Just Dance. So I'm really excited. Yeah, 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 yeah. Hello, good morning. It is Wednesday the 29th. I was absolutely useless yesterday. Basically, got totally sidetracked by a series on Netflix called Love on the Spectrum. I watched all of it, so I apologise for not filming, but I'm on an exciting adventure and I'm gonna go get a cookie that's got brownie in it. Why not? Why not? Come join. It's gonna be delicious. A bad influence. We're now in Shake Shack getting a drink and I'm getting cheesy chips. I haven't eaten my cookie yet. That's, wait. Look, there she is, the bad influence. She's a terrible influence. Making me buy cookies and then go to Shake Shack. Exactly. Who do you think you are? I am amazing. This is true. Have you met Andrea? Yeah. Okay, honestly, this week looks like it's going insane. I had the weirdest thing happen to me. So, I think the last thing I filmed, oh, now the battery's flashing, I'm just going to talk quickly. I was with Andrea, we went to Shake Shack. So basically, I was then eating my chips and having my drink. And I basically fainted, but without being unconscious. Andrea was amazing. I've never fainted before. I think it's my sleep's still dodgy and it's hot and everything. So I didn't even eat my cookie. I've just literally, I Ubered home and I've been just lying down trying to get my head to feel like human. I feel human now, but I feel like I don't even know what's going on. I'm really, like, I do apologize. Like, obviously filming has not been great so far, but my body's telling me something's up, and so I need to obviously listen to that, so I do apologize. But yeah, I'm just gonna get myself some food now. I've been asleep for about an hour or so. I'm gonna say goodnight to you guys because I'm not gonna do anything interesting apart from try to sleep and stay human. So I shall see you tomorrow, and I will eat a cookie tomorrow, I think, so we'll enjoy it then. Good day. Oh my god, now I can't speak. I feel like a walking, talking disaster, if I'm honest with you. I have no idea what's going on with me. I feel like yesterday was just like the weirdest experience I've ever had in my life. I have no idea what I filmed on here because I think I'm still slightly out of it. If I'm honest, I almost feel like I'm hungover today. I feel rough, but not like terrible, just feel really delicate. But I'm heading out anyway. I'm kind of, I don't know, my brain is just like, I think it's overly tired and the heat and everything. I'm not concerned, but obviously need to take it easy and need to try and get sleep. But I did sleep last night, so that's all good. So I'm heading to RJ's, we're gonna have lunch together and we're gonna do some crafts. It's been a while, right? We've been doing these crafts, like proper classes, but I can't remember when we first started our Russian doll project. Hopefully we'll get some painting done today and it'll all be good. Oh, they're holding the gate open. I need to power walk. Goodbye. First things first, we're meeting for a bubble tea. I'm just lurking as always. RJ always creeps up on me and makes me jump, so I'm like, I'm super alert right now. She will not scare me today. Where is she? But yeah, bubble tea time. We got our bubble tea! And she didn't make me jump, which I'm really proud of. I managed to like sense her before she got to me. But what is this one? With passion fruit, orange and grapefruit, yes. Right? Yeah, let's do this. Crafts and lunch, woohoo! Yay!
All the whites first. I would start light colors first.
This is purple.
Yeah.
I might make that.
Just because it's harder to cover light with dark.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah.
What are you saying? Yeah, no. What are you saying? What are you saying? Oh. Goodbye. Oh, okay. We're gonna have my cookie. What's it called? Cookie, is it department? Yes.
It must be.
Oh.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
That is one empty round. Oh, it's brownie.
Yes. I broke that in half really well.
Do you want ice cream?
Yes. Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Feet almost.
Okay. Oh, it's because my legs are out, so she looks at me. She's like, no. Do you want me to get it? What drawer is it?
I'll come back.
You can sit with me. I'm home. We didn't finish, by the way, because I think I time-lapsed me painting, but I think one more session, then it'll be done. It's just because we have to keep waiting for bits to dry, because obviously with the things being 3D and round, it was hard to hold them if they were damp. But I just thought I'd show you. RJ got me a few little bits. So I got this really cute Mickey hand trinket dish. It's adorable. And some earrings, which have like acrylic pink. Very pretty, very pretty. But home now for the rest of the evening. I'm going to, can't decide if I want a nap. Typically felt really sleepy on the MTR, but now I'm home having walked, I feel a bit more awake. I think I might also cook spaghetti bolognese because I'm like, yep, it's my favourite. And I'm gonna play the Switch. But in what order? Life is hard, hey? Yeah, I'm gonna do one of those now, but I don't know which. Wish me luck. Greetings. I am so useless this week with filming. I'm having the weirdest week. It's like, it's not even that I'm forgetting to film. I just don't think I'm feeling 100% because basically yesterday, the last thing I filmed was me going, oh, should I cook spaghetti bolognese, blah, blah, blah. So I did, I went and cooked and I played a bit of the Switch. And about 7 o'clock, I just was like, no, I can't function anymore. And I fell asleep from probably about 7 to like 11. And then I was awake until like maybe 4 a.m, 5 a.m. My sleep is just not okay. But I'm just feeling a little bit out of it this week, so I do apologise. Like, my filming isn't great, but you know, it is what it is. I got up early because I couldn't sleep. Surprise. And I've done like a 50-minute dance workout, so I'm really pleased about that. And I've got like a hair treatment in, and I've got a face mask on right now. So I think I'm gonna go rinse those off and cook myself some lunch. It's a really rainy day. Like, it's horrible. But then I also kind of, I don't know, I feel like we needed it. We haven't had like rain in a long time, so I'm not too bothered with the restrictions. Like, it's not like I'm out and about loads, so it doesn't matter to me. Yeah, tired. I need to sleep. Ooh, my window's shaking a bit. I think it's windy. That's a little bit terrifying. I'm so high up. I don't like that. Okay. Let's walk away. Well, as always, as a theme of this week, I have been absolutely useless at filming. Basically, Lewis came over and then we watched what was it? Get Him to the Greek, and then a bit of Brooklyn Nine-Nine. But I've got a bit of a headache, so I'm gonna go to bed. Sorry guys, not filming. I don't know what's up. See you tomorrow. Jill is performing surgery on this little poor chap. Oh, hello! Oh, he looks really confused. Wait, I'm scared too. I think this is great. I didn't do it so delicately. I bit his mouth off.
Where's Boomy? I need to test that it's going to come out. Oh no!
Sweetheart. Oh.
Come on.
We will get the boomerang. Okay, so this is the Starbucks. Is it reserved? What is it called?
I think so.
Right. Yes, please. I don't want to call it the wrong thing, but it's pretty cool if you like coffee, which I don't, but it's very nice. And it smells really nice as well. And they've got lots of cups and coffee. I was correct. It is reserved, so it's all good. It's all good. Oh, I've scared the Starbucks lady. I think we need to leave. She's looking at me. Oh, second Starbucks. This one's much prettier. Oh, it's dark. Darkness. Right, many hours later. I seem to be the most useless person in the world, but anyway, I think I've said that a million times. Oh, got a hair stuck on my hand. I was gonna say something of importance. What was it? Don't know. I had a really nice time with Jill. We just wandered around, had a nice lunch. It was all good. What was I gonna say? I was like, oh yeah, I'll sit down, we'll have a chat. But I have no clue what I was gonna chat about. Was it? Oh, it's August. That was the thing. I am absolutely shocked. When did this happen? I don't understand how it could be the 1st of August already. This is exactly a year ago I was flying to Hong Kong to move here. It feels weird. I'm kind of not quite sure how I emotionally feel about all that. The fact that it's been a whole year, the fact that it's probably been the weirdest year of my life, of everyone's life, I don't know. It's a strange feeling. But yeah, tomorrow I will have landed, I would have landed a year ago to then start my year here. It's insane. Very strange indeed. But yeah, I thought I should probably acknowledge that, because I didn't really say good morning. I just started filming while I had lunch because I didn't do anything before that. So I was like, well, I need to acknowledge the new month. I am clearly needing to go to bed because I don't know if I'm making any sense. But to do this, I'm going to do a shout out to Maria with this getting ready for bed song. Alexa, play Ya Ya Ding Dong.
Ya Ya Ding Dong by Wolf Ferrell and by Marianne on Amazon Music.
This goes to you, Meg. I will get ready for bed to this song. If I can get up. Oh my god. Right, good night. Ding dong. Good morning all, it's Sunday. I don't know what possessed me this morning, but I've done an hour yoga and then half an hour belly dancing. Who even knows? I don't know if I'm very good at belly dancing, but it's fun. It's a lot of fun. So I'm gonna go shower. I'm cooking my lunch. I'm gonna have baked potato because I have no other food. I need to do a food shop. Also, I didn't think I showed you my shopping yesterday. I got myself a few little summer dresses from Cotton On. They just have nice patterns and a top. And then also, so last week I picked up this collective dress. It's so cute. It's kind of like 1950s style. And when I was in H&M yesterday, I saw these earrings and I was like, they're perfect. Look, cherries. Yeah, so that's what's up. Oh, my arms hurt. I need to go. Goodbye. Right, so, ooh. Just had a mini nap. I've got a hair mask in, doing all the pampering basically. And I thought I'd have a go at Zelda before I, on the Switch. Like, oh, it's only a white screen. Open your eyes. Okay, anyway. I'm gonna have a little play of this before I FaceTime Lottie in a minute. What's going on? Wake up, Link. Okay, bye.
Head for the point marked on the map on your Sheikah slate.
Where's that? Oh. Oh, I'm not very good at reading maps. Okay. Okay. Right. Put a stamp. Okay, let's try. The hills are alive with the sound of music. Am I going in the right direction? Let's check, let's check, let's check. No. Oh man. Oh, I see it's in the corner. Don't. Oh, that's dangerous. How do I get down? Ah! Is there a... Oh, FaceTime time. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, I just had a really nice FaceTime session with Lottie, but I thought I'd film because I keep screaming. This is such a scary game, Zelda. It's terrifying. Right, let me move this so you can see the screen. Oh my goodness, this game is terrifying. Let me do something so you can see a bit better. Okay, 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 okay. The monsters keep coming for me, so like just prepare. Okay. I'm so scared. Okay. Are we ready? Yes. Oh. Oh, no! What did I do? Where's my weapon? Oh, okay. I see you. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. I'm going this way. Are they throwing things at me? Don't even come near me. Oh my goodness, why is the grass so long? Oh, I'm almost up where I need to be. Is it up here? Run! Oh my god, climb. Oh. Okay, let's climb down. I found you. No. Oh no. Not falling rocks. Oh no! I'm gonna die! Help. Run, squirrel! Oh no! What have I done? Wakey wakey! Oh! We're high up. Remember! Remember who
You
you
have been
are.
asleep for the past 100 years.
Okay.
You must hurry, Link.
What? Where am I? What to do, what to do, what to do? What is this? Some kind of hole? Yes. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Okay. What up? Let's go down here. Oh dear. No!
okay. You snooze, you lose. You fall off a building, you die. I've learnt my lesson. Well, I died. That was quite fun though. I did enjoy that. I'm going to end the weekly vlog now. It's about 6 o'clock. I've just put spaghetti on to cook because I'm going to have my spaghetti bolognese. I want to finish season... Is it season 3 of Dynasty? I don't know. I'm just finishing the most recent season of Dynasty today. And I'm just going to chill this evening and edit this weekly vlog, and pretty much that's it. So, thank you as always for watching. Sorry it's a bit all over the place this week. I should be better next week at filming. We shall see. We shall see. But thank you as always. Remember to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Let me know down in the comments below if you are watching, and I shall see you next week. Bye!